This is Faith and Finance Focus. Today, we're diving into one of Jesus' most powerful parables, not just as a spiritual lesson, but as a masterclass in financial strategy. The psychology of the trap. We've all been there. You decide to take control of your finances. You start the business, you buy the stock, you diversify. But then the market shifts. You look at your portfolio or your bank account, and instead of growth, you see red. Suddenly, the system feels rigged. You feel like a small fish in a sea of market makers who know more than you ever will. The effort feels heavy, and the trap feels real. When we lose money, we don't just lose currency, we lose confidence. But the Bible offers a different lens through which to view this transition period. The principle of the seed, Mark 4:26-29. The biggest mistake we make in finance is expecting the harvest the day after we plant. Jesus told a parable in Mark 4. This is what the kingdom of God is like. A man scatters seed on the ground. Night and day, whether he sleeps or wakes, the seed sprouts and grows, though he does not know how. Accepting mystery. Notice the phrase, "he does not know how." You don't need to be a Wall Street expert to succeed. Even the farmer doesn't fully understand the biology of growth, he just trusts the process. The invisible phase. Just because you don't see green shoots doesn't mean the seed isn't working underground. Your losses are often the cost of tuition in the school of experience. Dealing with market volatility. Ecclesiastes 11:1-6. When the market changes and you feel the urge to quit, remember the wisdom of Solomon in Ecclesiastes 11. It is the ultimate guide to diversification and patience. Ship your grain across the sea. After many days, you may receive a return. Invest in 7 ventures. Yes, in 8. You do not know what disaster may come upon the land. If you feel like the market is a trap, Solomon agrees that the world is unpredictable. That is exactly why we diversify. He continues in verse 4. Whoever watches the wind will not plant. Whoever looks at the clouds will not reap. If you wait for the perfect market or perfect knowledge, you will never move. Financial freedom isn't about outsmarting the system. It's about consistency despite the system. The parable of the talents. Matthew 25:14-30. Many people feel like giving up because they are afraid of losing what little they have left. In the parable of the talents, the servant who was wicked and lazy wasn't the one who lost money. It was the one who was so afraid of the harsh system that he hid his talent in the ground. God doesn't ask you to control the market. He asks you to manage what is in your hand. Leverage isn't just about debt. It's about using your skills, your time, and your small capital. Success is found in the doing, not just the result. The promise of perseverance. If you are in that transition where the effort feels too high and the reward too low, hold on to Galatians 6:9. Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Financial management is a good work. Do not let a bad quarter or a changing market steal your vision. You are not in a trap. You are in a season of refinement. Stay the course, keep learning, and trust that the Creator of all resources is walking with you. Thank you for watching Faith and Finance Focus. If this video resonated with you, hit subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below.